Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ken Rogers and we're mostly outdoors. Last time I talked to you we was burning all the oils and everything off of this grill and about got it ready to go, but I did kind of lie to you. So the next time you see me we're going to be cooking a couple steaks. Not so true. Have you priced that stuff lately? Oh my god, it's crazy. We're going to do a little cook. We're going to do some chicken, some Zacon chicken that I picked up about a week ago and we're ready to go on it. So let's go see what we're having inside. Alright guys, here's what's on the menu. Two beautiful chicken breasts I got from Zacon Fresh. So I'll tell you about that here in a little while. So, but two beautiful. I'm not going to do a whole lot of these. I'm just going to do some salt, season them up with some McCormick's Grill Mates. This is the Smokehouse Maple. It's going to go great over this smoked fire. Also, on the fire, I'm also going to be cooking up or just heating up some Bush's grilling beans. This is the bourbon and brown sugar. While that's going on, Mama's just going to put us up some simple stovetop stuffing, this chicken flavor. Really good. So, real quick, just quick salt on both. Give these a flip and do the same. At the end, we're going to be basting just for a little glaze, just some simple Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue. It'll go well in here. Let's go outside and get this fire going. I'm just going to let these sit here and rest a little bit. Alright guys, go ahead and put some beans over here. Kind of put this on a low side, kind of a cooler side. Fire's still roaring, but I need to get this going. Alright folks, it is time for this chicken. I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but I am cooking on all pecan wood. One of my favorite woods to cook on. Chicken, beef, some pork. I've done some pulled pork with this. Just gonna let that go and soak up some of that smoke and get a good grill on this. Beans are coming along quite nicely. They are heating up. So I'll get back to you soon. And to be honest with you, I've been kind of rushing this a little bit just because I'm starting to run out of a little daylight. So normally I let this go to more charcoal and set my coals or my grate right down on it. As I'm getting the fire burnt down, I'm going to lower this a little. Get me a little closer to the heat. Seem to be doing okay, but I'm not getting the heat that I really want. See if that don't do us a little better. Give these bad boys a flip. Oh yeah, getting there. Hitting around 120 or so. Got a little ways to go, but I'm going to throw my first layer of base on there. Give that a little bit and we'll turn it and do the same. Oh yeah. We're real close. Oh yeah, we are 155, 156. I'm calling this. I'll pull it in, put some foil over it, and let her steam out a little bit. Beans are pretty much done. I'm gonna pull them off, and we'll go inside and plate this up and get a bite to eat. What far I got carried away, didn't it? Oh yeah. Check that out. Oh yeah. All right, let's get a little taste of this. You cannot believe the smell right here. Things starting to fall apart there. Check this out. Cooks real good. Moist, real tender. Oh, let's get a taste of this. Oh my God. Mm-hmm. Too big a bite. You can tell it's cooked over an open fire. The ends of the chicken are real crispy, or just slightly crispy. Some of the fat on there, which brings some of the flavor in. The pecan wood, oh my God. It's one of the things about cooking over an open fire. You get probably more smoke than what you would normally do, which is, I think, good for me because I love campfire cooking. So this is excellent. Oh God. Folks, thanks so much for watching. Again, I am Ken Rogers, and we are mostly outdoors. So, got more food cooks like this coming up. We got a standard smoker out here too, and we got a gas grill. We're going to be cooking on that. More to come. We're going to be on the campground soon. As soon as the weather breaks enough, get some of these wind and storms out of the way, which always comes through in the spring in Kentucky. It's just the way it is, folks. And who knows, maybe we'll get caught in one of our cooks. So, it'll make a good blooper video for us. So, guys, thanks so much. God bless you. We will see you on the next one.